What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today, you guys really liked the chameleon cell pour I did a few weeks back, so I'm gonna be doing another one, but with some cooler colors. So I'm showing you these colors. I have a golden pearl iridescent. That's this color. I have a golden teal, and that's that. The other three colors are the Artist Loft ready mixed colors that just come out of the bottle pre-mixed. So that's one of them right there. To get the golden colors, to get these to the same consistency, I had to use some of their pouring medium right here. So I just added pouring medium until I got to the same consistency. So word for the day is positivity. So how you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing amazing. I'm having a great day. The white that I'm using as the base is pre-mixed white also. There's no difference. All the same. I'm trying to use about 5 ounces of white. Trying to keep the silicone from contacting the canvas as much as I can. I might actually need more white than that though, because I thought I added it up well, but apparently I did not. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, because since this was straight out of the bottle, there's no mixing required. There we go. That should be plenty. Let me take my little torch, pop these bubbles, so we're not introducing a bunch of bubbles to the chameleon cells as well. And I have my 5-ounce cup, because this is a 12 by 12 gallery wrap canvas. It's gonna take about 5 ounces of paint. So I'm gonna layer this. I don't know how well you're gonna see that, but I do want a dark blue on top, so I'm gonna start with the dark blue, because it's gonna be a flip cup. Then I'm gonna gradient it up to lighter colors, using this golden teal here. The golden teal is churning through, which is gonna create some interesting dynamics there. Here's the pearl is also churning through. These colors are super thin, y'all. So that's another thing that I think helps aid in the chameleon cell creation, is having the paint super thin. Now, as a splash of contrast, I'm gonna try to get this white to stay on the surface, but white is a heavy color. White tends to sink. So we might get some sinking. Well, it's definitely gonna sink if I keep churning the colors through. So, yeah. Another glorious day though. We're excited. Happy to be here. I'll put some of this pearlescent white in there. Yeah, the metallics are also heavy, so there was very little hope for me keeping that on the surface. Alright. And we're gonna have to flip this cup kind of messy, unfortunately. Yeah, see, even from, I'm not pouring from a great height. That golden colors are just heavy, heavy. It's creating a cool little thing in there though. And it's okay if they mix a little. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna, like I said, do a flip cup. I wanna add a little white. To completely top off this cup. So it's gonna be a messy flip cup, because I can't just pick up everything. So we're gonna try to keep it as non-messy as possible. All right, there we go, huh? So I'm gonna give it a moment here, let those colors kind of churn out. I want the colors to settle in the cup because I did splash a little. All right. So there's no silicone in these colors yet. That's what the, let me tilt it this way. We want to keep it, the weight of it in the middle. Well, that created some really cool stuff. And hey y'all, apparently with the paint densities the way they are, it creates cells. What? There's no silicone in this. I don't know. I don't know what to say. It's the paint density doing that. But those are some really wicked looking cells. This is crazy. You know what? I might not even make this a chameleon cell anymore. Let me get this towards the center so we can keep a lot of this. Well, this might be one of them short ones, but good ones, guys. Let's see what we get. Some gentle spins. I don't know what to say. Y'all, come on. This was supposed to be something totally different. But, you know, sometimes you just gotta adapt, change your idea, and roll with it, because the paint's gonna do sometimes what the paint wants to do. Now, I haven't used a metallic in one of my chameleon cell pours from Golden, so I really do think that the Golden metallic was a big reason that we got these cells and lacing the way it is. But guys, I would feel terrible trying to do a chameleon cell on this and ruin everything that's already there. So let me bring you guys down and show you this. It's crazy. This thing did some really wicked stuff. It's crazy. It looks like ice. Kind of like an iceberg. Straight out of the cup like this.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.